there! Welcome to my channel. Today, I've got something incredible to share with you. The secret behind creating viral short videos that brought a channel 300 million views with just 3 short videos. Stick around, because I'll not only introduce you to this amazing channel, but also reveal how you can replicate its success, and even surpass it. But before we dive into the magic behind those 300 million views, let me introduce you to this channel. This channel defied all odds, and you won't believe the income it generated. Let's check out its Social Blade stats. This channel has 674K subscribers with only 3 short videos, and all 3 video shorts have millions of views. As you can see, this channel is not just getting views, it's making serious money. Now here's the exciting part: you can achieve this too, and I'm going to show you the exact tool you need. Forget about needing a face or a voice. All you need is one powerful tool to skyrocket your views and income. And guess what? It's accessible to everyone. Ready to know what it is? It's none other than CapCut. Yes, with CapCut, you can easily create captivating short videos without showing your face or using your voice. Now, let me walk you through the step-by-step process of creating these viral short videos using CapCut. Before that, if you like this video style, subscribe to my channel and like the video. First things first, find interesting and trending films. This is the key to grabbing your audience's attention. Use the most engaging parts of your chosen film to create short, attention-grabbing clips. CapCut makes editing a breeze with its user-friendly interface. Enhance the viewing experience by adding catchy music to your clips. Make it more attractive by adding different effects from the effects section and adding filters to the images. Also, make it more beautiful by adding animation to the beginning, middle, and end of the video. And get high-quality video output. And there you have it.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
The secret recipe to creating viral short videos using CapCut. Now, all that's left is for you to go out there, find those exciting topics, and start crafting your own viral content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating!